This is an alcohol detection alarm project. It can be used to detect alcohol levels and sound an alarm if they cross a certain threshold. Before we dive into the project, an important announcement. Join our exciting initiative for school students. Build this or any robotics project and share photos or videos with your project name, your name, class, school and location via WhatsApp. Number on screen. We will feature your work on our channel, celebrating your creativity and inspiring others. Don't miss out. Share your amazing projects. Now let's get started. For this project, we will need an Arduino UNO board, small breadboard, one LED, one 220 ohm resistor, one MQ3 alcohol sensor module, one buzzer, some male-to-male jumper wires, a USB cable. Let's wire everything up. First of all, take the Arduino and breadboard. Now we have to connect the MQ3 alcohol sensor. It has 4 pins: VCC, GND, E0 and A0. Insert it on the breadboard like this. Connect the VCC pin of MQ3 sensor to the 5V pin on the Arduino. Next, connect the GND pin of the MQ3 sensor to the GND pin on the Arduino. Finally, connect the A0 pin of the MQ3 sensor to the A0 pin on the Arduino. This will allow the Arduino to read the analog output of the sensor. Now let's connect the LED. LED has 2 pins. A longer pin, which is positive side, known as anode, and a shorter pin, which is a negative side, known as a cathode. Insert it on the breadboard. Connect the longer pin to digital pin 7 on the Arduino. Connect the shorter pin to the resistor and then connect the resistor to the ground rail on the breadboard. The resistor is essential to prevent the LED from burning out. Next, we will connect the buzzer. It also has 2 pins, the positive pin and the negative pin. Connect the positive pin of the buzzer to digital pin 8 on the Arduino. Connect the negative pin of the buzzer to the ground rail on the breadboard. This will allow the buzzer to sound when alcohol is detected. Now connect the Arduino's GND pin to the ground rail on the breadboard. Make sure to double check your connection with the circuit diagram. Now download the code file given in the description below. Open the code file in the Arduino IDE. At the top of the code, we define the pins for our MQ3 sensor, LED and buzzer. We also set a threshold value which determines the alcohol concentration level at which the alarm is triggered. In the setup function, we define the LED and buzzer as output because they will be activated by the Arduino. We also start the serial monitor to display the sensor values for debugging and calibration. In the loop function, we read the alcohol concentration using MQ3 sensor connected to the A0 pin. The analog read function gives us a value between 0 and 1023. This value helps us determine whether the alcohol concentration is above the threshold or not. Next, we use an if condition to compare the sensor value to the threshold. If the value is greater than the threshold, the LED and the buzzers are activated. Otherwise, they remain off. Finally, we add a small delay of 500 milliseconds to avoid rapid toggling and to stabilize the readings. And that's it. Now connect the Arduino UNO to your computer using the USB cable for uploading the code. Select port and board in the same menu and select Arduino UNO. Now click on the upload button. And that's how this project works. The MQ3 sensor detects the alcohol level in the air and sends the data to the Arduino. If the alcohol concentration exceeds the set threshold, the LED lights up and the buzzer sounds an alarm, warning of the presence of alcohol. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching our tutorial.